I come get something to sit on. All right, which one of you guys wants one first? Come on, little boy. Come on, Tip Tip. Okay, honey. Excuse me. Tip Tip. I gotta position this chair just a little different because they're sneaking up on me. Aren't you? Come here. Get my chair. Come here. Come here. That's Dudley. There you go, my friend. Dudley, we don't have time to eat them here. There's too many chipmunks. Come here, Dudley. Hey, get this one. And this is a good one, too. Come here. You can have them both, Dudley. Here. Right there. Right, Day. And oh, that's why Dudley took off. Come here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Get up here. Oh, little girl. And there comes another one. It's gonna be a busy morning. All right, little girl. All right, Day. Busy.